Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to review new random video chat in 2026. Vooz is a really good alternative to OmeTV and Omegle. First, I open my browser and go to the Vooz website. You can see the official website URL here. On this site, you can add your interest just like on Omegle. You can also start a text or video call with random people. If you create an account, you can get free gem. Just sign up using your email and log in. On the right side, you can see the global chat. Once you sign in, you will also see friend list. Also, you can see the connected strangers list. In the settings section, you will find option for your avatar, account details and diamonds. I think it's great alternative to Ome TV. So go ahead and try this app yourself. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.